Now, as you already know, that NIO came out a month or two ago and said that they will be increasing their old existing model prices due to the suppliers, or due to some of the materials that they use to manufacture these NIO cars going up, or their suppliers raising prices of some of their materials that they use on the NIO cars up. Now, you remember that at that time NIO had come and said that they will be increasing their prices on their old models, which were the ES6, ES8 and the EC6, and of course they had already clearly stated that this won't affect the ET5 and the ET7, which of course it was quite amazing. Well, today, guys, we received some news of saying that NIO, from the 23rd of this month, which is May, they will be increasing their prices on their ET7 model. So those of you, or those people that makes their order on this ET7 before the 23rd of May, you will still buy the NIO ET7 on based on the current normal or based on the current prices. But after the 23rd, you will definitely be paying 10,000 Chinese yen more when you buy the ET7. So this, of course, again, NIO just told us that this is due to the fact that suppliers have increased their material prices, and of course this also just has to make NIO to also quite sort of like adjust their prices. And of course we know that the Chinese industry regulators, they had came and specifically said that they were going to impose some crackdowns on these suppliers so that at least they can curb their prices on these materials, which is something that of course this might just tell us that this probably is the last time that we might be seeing NIO increasing their prices, because I don't think with the crackdowns that the industry regulators were planning to impose on the suppliers of these materials, they can still further increase these prices. This is something that must just show you that probably, like I said, this is the last time NIO is increasing their vehicle prices for now, which I guess it's quite incredible. Now, the ET7, you remember that this is the first sedan that NIO is currently selling, that is currently in the market right now, as it is as NIO started delivering it on the 28th of March. And this is a vehicle that, delivery wise, like I've been saying in my previous videos, it is doing quite well, because in March, those few days in March where NIO started delivering this car, we saw them delivering over 300, and now for this previous month of April, we saw NIO delivering over 600 of these ET7 models. And of course, you remember that with the month of March, or the reason why we saw some low numbers in terms of deliveries in March, it is due to the COVID outbreaks in China. Now, this is a company that I personally believe that it will do very well in terms of deliveries, because before the ET5 was launched, this was the car that had the highest pre-orders when looking or comparing to all the NIO previous models, which is something that must just show you that this is a car that has got some good demand. And guess what? Those demand are going to turn into deliveries, because you remember that there were some people online in China who went online and were selling their pre-orders or their orders for this NIO ET7, which just has to show you that this is a car that delivery wise it is expected, or it is going to do very well. Me personally, I believe that for the month of May, NIO can easily deliver over 1,000 vehicles of this ET7, which I personally believe that it will definitely boost their deliveries for the month of May. Now, NIO is a company, like I said, which we discuss a lot on this channel, and you already know that, of course, the videos that we make here are not financial advice, but as I usually say, if you are enjoying about the content that I'm giving you about the NIO stock, please do make sure that you hit that likes button and subscribe. That's if you have not subscribed to the channel already, and do make sure that you hit that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time we drop a new content. Now, irregardless of the short-term headwinds that is surrounding this NIO stock, I mean, there are delisting fears, there is COVID, which of course we read that they are becoming better and better. China is opening their city, or slowly opening their cities once again to the public, and which is a good sign to say that good days are coming, good days are ahead. And to get to know that with the delisting fears, I've discussed with you that China are in talks with the US regulators. It is something that must just show us that one way or the other, sooner or later, we are going to get a solution that is going to result in most of these Chinese stocks, including NIO, not to delist from the New York Stock Exchange. Now, in Wall Street, NIO, you remember that it is a company that continues to have a strong buy, which this, ladies and gents, it is something that must just show you that NIO, irregardless of what is happening, irregardless of the short-term headwinds that we are seeing on this stock, it is a company that so many analysts remain bullish on. I mean, this company right now in Wall Street currently has a price target of over $40 per stock. And looking where NIO is currently trading at right now, this is a good opportunity for you to probably load the boat onto this stock, because this is a stock which is just set to do very well. This is a stock which its fundamentals and its future prospects are just out of this world. And I definitely think that few years down the line, you're definitely going to regret if you don't consider probably buying or increasing your holdings, making sure that you bring your average purchase share price of this company down, because one way or the other, I mean, you are hearing it here, and I'm going to stress this over and over again. NIO, it's a company that is going to do very well, and these short-term headwinds few years down the line, I'm sure when you look back or when you look at these current events that are happening, dragging these Chinese stocks, including NIO right now, you are definitely going to laugh at the returns that you would have generated by then. Otherwise, I just thought I should just give you this quick news about the latest developments that we just got around the ET7 of NIO increasing their prices, which to me, I don't think it's a train smash. I don't think it is going to probably reduce the demand yet, because I don't think it's a lot of money. I mean, it's just below $1,500, which to me, if you want this car, I don't think you can mind. If you can pay over $70,000 for this NIO ET7 car, I don't think you would really mind to pay an extra $1,400, which is why I think that the demand, we will not see it being affected by much. Otherwise, we thought that, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a new video. Otherwise, before you load the boat or increase your holdings onto this NIO stock, please do make sure that you do your own due diligence, so that at least you can be comfortable when you are investing into this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.